My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today's video is about watching your budget when you're going grocery shopping, because nowadays everything is so expensive, especially when you're buying meat. So in this video, I'll show you how to butcher your own chicken. So I bought this whole chicken for $7.99, and out of this whole chicken I made about 4 dishes. And it's very expensive if you buy like chicken breast, chicken thighs, drumstick, that's already cut. They could be really expensive, and I don't think you'll spend only $20 to make this 4 dishes, maybe double, triple that amount. But for the $7.99 and the rest of the ingredients, I already have it in my cupboard. I have some veggies in my fridge, and I just put everything together. I have made chicken fajita, I've made chicken and bok choy stir fry, and I make chicken cacciatore, and I even managed to add some potatoes so I can really stretch out my meals. Now, I also made this chicken broth out of the scraps from that whole chicken, and then I just added some cooked pasta, and then the meat off the bones I shredded and added to the chicken noodle soup. So I made a broth from scratch, and I added some pasta, and then I call it chicken noodle soup. So it's actually a total of 5 dishes that I made out of this one whole chicken. So you would really save some money. So let me show you how I made it. And I'm also going to show you how to butcher your own chicken. If you have any questions, comments, just pop it in the comment section. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. And if you'd like, you can also share this video if you know family and friends that kind of want to stretch out their budget for their meals and want to learn how to butcher their own chicken. Then go ahead and share this video. So let me show you how. I always start by cutting right in the center of the chicken breast, and then you will see all these bones. Now the easy way is to cut through the flesh in between those bones and remove them. We're gonna use the bones for our chicken broth. And then to cut the thighs and the drumstick, again, cut through the flesh in between the joints. And then cut the wings. And then to remove the skin, cut it underneath the chicken breast. And then underneath the chicken breast, you'll see more bones. Again, you're going to cut through those flesh and remove the bones. These are scraps that we're going to use for our chicken broth. And here are cut up chicken. We are going to start by making our chicken broth. In the stock pot, you're going to add those bones and scraps from the whole chicken that you cut. Then add the water. Add 1 carrot. 1 onion, and then also garlic, ginger, thyme, bay leaves, and salt and peppercorn. And then you're gonna simmer it for about an hour, and make sure that you skim the top. And once it's done, you're gonna strain the chicken broth. Make sure to save those bones because we're gonna shred the meat off the bones. And then save the carrot. We're going to add it at the end of our cooking. Now heat the pan with oil, add the onion, and then the tarragon, salt, and pepper. And I added 1 more carrot and celery. Then I added a chicken broth. Stir and let it boil. And then add your cooked pasta. Then add the shredded chicken and the carrot. And also I added some frozen peas. And out of that one whole chicken, I also made chicken cacciatore. chicken fajita, and chicken and bok choy stir fry. For these recipes, head on to leanbellaskitchen.com.